In this video, we will do exercise 9.5 of chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identity, question number 1 to 4. Now, before starting this exercise 9.5, we have to learn a few identity. Identity. What is an identity? An equality which hold true for any value of the variable in it is called an identity. Now dear student, for the given value of variable, any variable, if it hold equality in its both side, then it is known as identity. There should be a equality for any value of the variable. Now that is a plus b. Now we have to learn this for identity. A plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now dear student, how you got this value? Now let us see. See, a plus b the whole square, that is you have to write a plus b two times. That is a plus b multiplied by a plus b. That is product of binomial. That is a multiplied by a plus b and b multiplied by a plus b. That is a into a square, a into b, ab, b into a, you can write ab or ba, b into b square. Now a square as it is, ab plus ab gives 2ab and plus b square as it is. Now the second identity is a minus b the whole square gives a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us see how you got this value. That is a minus b the whole square, that is a minus b into a minus b. That is you have to write twice. That is a minus b multiplied by a minus b. That is product of binomial. That is a, you have to multiply with a minus b and negative b multiplied by a minus b. Now a into a is a square, a into negative b is ab. Negative b into a is negative ab and negative b into negative b is positive b square. Now a square as it is, minus ab plus minus ab, minus minus plus, that is minus 2ab in, and sign will be negative, and plus b square as it is. This is how you got this value, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now the next is a plus b, a minus b. It's equals to a square minus b square. How you got this value? Let's see. A plus b into a minus b. That is a, you have to multiply with a minus b, and b you have to multiply with a minus b. That is a into a is a square, a into minus b is minus ab, and b into a is ab, and b into minus b is minus b square. Now that is a square, you have to write as it is, minus ab plus ab. When you will cancel, it will get cancelled, and minus ab you have to write as it is. Then next is x plus a into x plus b. Here x is common, so you get the value x square plus a plus b in bracket into x a plus b. Let's see how you get this value. See, x plus a into x plus b. So you have to multiply this x with x plus b, and you have to multiply this a with x plus b. X into x square, x into b xb, a into x ax, a into b ab. Then x square as it is. Then dear student, here x is common, so you can take out that x common, and b plus a or a plus b in bracket you can write. You can write b plus a also or a plus b also, and ab as it is. So this is how you got this value, or you can write this value of x here also. Let us start exercise 9.5. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following product. Now x plus 3, x plus 3. So you can make a square of x plus 3. Then you apply the identity, that is a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now consider this as a and this as a b. Here a square will come, means value of a, that is x. You can consider that is value of a as x and value of b as 3. The formula says a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a square means x square plus 2ab, that is a into, that is x into 3 plus b square. Here the value of b is 3. Then value x square means x square, and 2 into x into 3, that is 2 3 is 6x, and square of 3 is 9. Then next is 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. Dear student, when you will apply this identity? When both the bracket have same number of a term, and same value of term. that is 2y plus 5 and 2y plus 5 is there. So make a square of it, that is 2y plus 5 the whole square, that is make a square of 2y, that is 2y a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a square means 2y square means 4y square, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20y, and square of 5 is 25. Next is 2a minus 7 into 2a minus 7. Make a square of it, that is 2a minus 7 the whole square, that is make a square a square, consider this as a, that is a square is 2a square minus 2ab. Here the value of a is 2a and value of b is 7. So here minus is there, so you have to put minus sign over here, that is 2ab plus b square. Here the value of b is 7, so make a square of b square. Then square of 2a is 4a square, that then 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28a, and square of 7 is 49. Then 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. 3a minus 1 by 2 the whole square, that is 3a the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means 3a the whole square minus 2ab. So you have to multiply this 2 with 3a and 1 upon 2, and plus b square means 1 upon 2 the whole square. Then 3a square means 9a square minus 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 3a plus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2 square means 1 upon 4. Let's see sum number 5. 1.1m minus 1.4 into 1.1m plus 0.4. Now dear student, here both the bracket have different sign. Both the binomial have a different sign. Means which identity you have to apply, that is a plus b into a minus b gives a square minus b square. So it's very simple. You have to make a square of 1.1m square minus 0.4 square. The square of 1.1m is 1.21m square and square of 0.4 is 0.16. Then a square plus b square into a square plus b square. Here negative a square plus b square. So dear student, just what we will do, just interchange it. Here when we will interchange, that is b square plus a square, it will not make any difference. But when we will interchange it over here, that is b square will come over here and a square will go back. So now see, clear difference you will see over here, that is b square plus a square into b square minus a square. Again you get both the bracket have different sign. So which identity you have to apply, that is a square plus b square into a square minus b square equals to a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So it's very simple. Make a square of b square and a square. So b square the whole square minus a square the whole square, that is it will give, you will get b4 minus a4, or you can write minus a4 plus b4. The next one is 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. Here also both the bracket have different sign. So just make a square of 6x the whole square and 7 the whole square. So square of 6x is 36x square and square of 7 is 49. Minus a plus c. Next sum is minus a plus c and minus a plus c. Here dear student, both the bracket have same sign. Each term having a same sign. So which identity you have to apply? That is make a square of it, that is minus a plus c the whole square. Which identity? A square. Which identity? That is a plus b the whole square gives a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is you have to make a square of it, that is negative a whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into minus a into c, and plus c square, that is value of b. Now minus a square gives a square, 2ac, so positive into negative, that is minus 2ac plus c square. Square of c is c square. Now let us see the next sum. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 in bracket, x by 2 plus 3y by 4 in bracket. Now here both the bracket have same sign. So just make a square of it, that is x by 2 plus 3y by 4 the whole square. When you do such, now dear student, you have to apply the identity, that is a plus b the whole square, that is a square, that is x by 2 the square plus 2ab, that is 2 into a into b, that is 2 into x by 2 into 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 square, that is b square, plus b square means 3y by 4 square. Now when we will do the square of it, x by 2, so x squared by 4. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, that is what is left, 3x into 3y, that is 3xy by 4. Here square of 3y is 9y square and square of 4 is 16. This is how you get the value. Next one, 7a minus 9b, 7a minus 9b. Now dear student, here both the bracket have same sign, so you have to make a square of it, whole square. Which identity you have to apply? That is a minus b the whole square gives a square minus 2ab plus b square. You have to consider this as a, that is value of a is 7a. You have to consider this as a b, that is value of b is 9b. Now square of 7a, that is a square minus 2ab. 2 you have to multiply with both the term, that is 7a into 9b plus b square. Plus b square means here the value of b is 9b plus b square. Now square of 7a is 49a square. 7, 2 7s are 14, 14 9s are 126. A into b is ab. Then square of 9 is 81. B square of b is b square. 81 b square. Now let us start the next question. Use the identity, that is x plus a in bracket x plus b gives x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now dear student, here it's very simple to memorize this identity, that is whenever any digit is common in both the bracket, here x is common, to make a square of it. Then whatever the uncommon digit is there, one time you have to make a sum of it and multiply it with a common value, that is x, and here you have to do a multiplication of uncommon value, that is one time you have to add it and one time you have to multiply it. It's very simple. Now let us start. That is x plus 3 into x plus 7. Now here what is common? X, so make a square of it, x square. What is uncommon? That is 3 and 7, so make a sum of it, that is 3 plus 7, and multiply it with common thing, common value, that is x. Then whatever the uncommon value are there, so you have to make a product of multiple of it. It's very simple, that is x squared, that is 3 plus 7 is 10 into x, that is x 10x, and 3 7s are 21. Let us see the next one. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. That is here 4x is common, to make a square of it, 4x square, plus what is uncommon thing, that is 5 and 1, that is make a sum of it, that is 5 plus 1, multiply with common value, that is 4x, plus what is uncommon value, that is 5 and 1, so make a multiple of it, that is 5 1s are 5, so that is 4x square gives 16x square, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 4s are 24x, and 5 1s are 5. Now let us see sum number third. 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. Now here 4x is common, make a square of it, 4x square, plus what are the uncommon value are there, that is minus 5 and minus 1 in both the bracket, so make a sum of it, that is minus 1 minus 5 minus 1. You have to multiply it with 4x, then plus you have to make a product of uncommon value, that is minus 5 into minus 1. Then square of 4x is 16x square, then minus minus, as we all know, you have to make a sum of it, that is minus minus, plus the minus 5 minus 1 gives minus 6, multiply by 4x, and 5 1s are, that is negative 5 into negative 1 become positive 5. Then 16x square as it is, then make a multiple, that is 4 6 are 24, positive into negative is negative 24x, x as it is, then 5 as it is. Now the next one is 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1. Here the common is 4x. So make a square of it, 4x square, plus make a sum of uncommon value in both the expression, that is 5 plus minus 1 into, make a multiple with 4x, that is common value, plus make a product of uncommon value, that is 5 into minus 1. Now 4x square will become 16x square. Square of 4x will become 16x square. Then 5 minus 1 gives 4 and 4x as it is, and 5 1s are positive, negative is negative, that is negative 5. Then 16x square as it is, 4 4s are 16x, 4x into 4, that is 16x, plus minus always minus. Now let us move toward next sum. Sum number 5. 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 3y. Here common value is 2x, so make a square of it, that is 2x square, plus make a sum of uncommon value, that is 5x plus 3y, multiply with common value in both the expression, common value is 2x, multiply with 2x, then product of uncommon value, that is 5y into 3y. Now 2x square will become square of 2x will become 4x square. Then sum of 5y plus 3y gives 8y, multiply by 2x, then 3 5 is 15, y square, so 15y square. Now 4x square plus 2 8 is 16, 16xy plus 15y square. Now 2x square plus 9 into 2x plus 5, 2x square plus 5. Now here common value is 2x square, so make a square of 2x square plus sum of uncommon value in both the expression, that is 9 plus 5, and you have to multiply with common value in both the expression, that is 2x is common in both the expression, that is multiply with 2x square plus, now once you had added both the uncommon value, so you have to multiply both the uncommon value, that is 9 into 5. Now square of 2a square gives 4a raised to 4. Square of a square become a4. Then 9 plus 5 is 14, 2a square as it is, 9 5 is 45. Then 4a raised to 4 plus 14 2s are 28, a square plus 45. Now the next one is xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. Here the common value is xyz, to make a square of it first, xyz whole square plus sum of both uncommon value, that is negative 4 plus negative 2, and multiply with common value, that is xyz, plus product of uncommon value, that is negative 4 into negative 2. Then the square of xyz will give x square, y square, z square, plus minus minus plus, sign of minus, that is minus 4, minus 2 gives minus 6, xyz, minus into minus plus, so 4 2s are 8. Then x square, y square, z square, plus into minus is minus 6 xyz plus 8. Now let us start question number 3rd by find the following square by using identity. Now b minus 7 the whole square. Now you have to apply a minus b the whole square. As we all know, a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now you have to make a square of a, then you have to multiply both the term with 2 and make a square of b. Now let us start. Now a minus b the whole square, you have to apply this identity. Now b minus 7 the whole square means you have to make a square of b square, minus you have to multiply both the term with 2, that is 2 into b into 7. You have to put minus sign over here because it is a identity you have to apply of minus. Then make a square of 7 over here, put plus sign over here. The square of b is b square, 2 into b into 7 gives 2 7s are 14b minus 14b, and square of 7 is 49. Now the next is xy plus 3z the whole square. Now here the square, you have to make a square of xy, that is xy square plus 2 into first term into last term, 2 into that is xy into 3z, and plus square of last term, that is 3z square. Now square of xy is x square y square plus 2 3s are 6 xyz plus square of 3z is 9z square. Then square of 6x square minus 5y the whole square, that is square of first term, that is 6x square the whole square, minus 2 into first term into last term, that is 2 into 6x square plus 5y plus square of last term, that is 5y whole square. Now square of 6x square is 36x4, then 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 60, 60 x square y, and square of 5y is 25y square. Number 4, 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n the whole square, that is square of 2 by 3m plus 2 into first term into last term, that is 2 by 3m into 3 by 2n plus last term, square of last term, that is 3 by 2n the whole square. Now the square of first term, that is 2 by 3m square gives 4 by 9m square plus here whatever value possible to cancel, you can cancel it. 3 and 3 will get cancelled and 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what is left? 2 into m into n gives 2mn, and plus square of 3 is 9, square of 2 is 4, and square of n is n square. So 9 by 4 n square. Now let us move toward next sum. That is 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square. Now that is square of first term, that is 0.4p square, minus 2 into first term into last term, that is 2 into 0.4p into 0.5q plus square of last term 0.5q square. Now square of 0.4p is 0.16p square minus 2 into 0.4 into 0.5q gives 0.5 4 pq plus square of 0.5q gives 0.25q square. Now next one is 2xy plus 5y whole square. Now here make a square of first term 2xy whole square plus 2 into first term into last term, that is 2 into 2xy plus 5y plus square of last term, that is 5y square. Now square of 2xy gives 4x square y square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20x y into y square. Then square of 5 is 25, square of y is y square, that is 25y square. Now let us see question number 4. Simplify. A square minus b square the whole square. Now again you have to apply that identity a minus b the whole square, because a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Means you have to make a square of first term minus, you have to multiply first term and last term with 2, that is 2ab, plus make a square of last term, that is b square. Now let us start. A square the whole square minus 2 into a square into b square, that is 2 into a square b square plus b square the whole square. So a square the whole square gives a4 minus 2 a square b square gives 2a square b square plus b square the whole square is b4. Now the second question is 2x plus 5 the whole square minus 2x plus 5 the whole square. Now first we will solve this part, that is we will apply a plus b the whole square, that is a square, that is 2x square plus 2 into ab, that is 2 into 2x plus 2x into 5 plus 5 the whole square. Then put minus sign and we will solve this value, that is 2x minus 5 the whole square over here. Put in big bracket, that is make a square of 2x minus multiply 2 with both the term, that is 2 into 2x into 5 plus make a square of 5, that is last term, that is 5 square. Now square of 2x is 4x square, 2 into 2x into 5, 2 to the 4, 5 is 20, 20x plus square of 5 is 25. Then make a square of 2x, put this minus sign as it is, make a square of 2x, that is 4x minus 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20, that is minus 20x plus make a square of 5, that is 25. Now open the bracket. So here while opening the bracket there will be a no change in sign, but here outside the bracket here minus sign is there. So while opening the bracket you have to change all the sign, that is positive 4x will become negative, negative 20x will become positive, and positive 25 will become negative 25. Now see whether if any value is possible to cancel. Yes, positive 25 negative 25 will cancel, positive 4x and square and negative 4x square will get cancelled. What is left? That is 20x plus 20x, 20x plus 20x you have to add because they both have common variable, that is 20x plus 20x will become 40x. Don't make x square. X square is possible in multiple. Here we are adding both the term. Now the next one is 7m minus 8n the whole square plus 7m plus 8n the whole square. Now we will solve that 7m minus 8n square in one bracket. Now that is apply that same identity, a plus b the whole square equals to, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square for plus 1, and for minus, that is a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 7m square minus 2 7m into 8n plus 8n square, then plus sign, and now solve this value in big bracket, that is 7m square plus 2 7m into 8m plus 8n square. Then 7m square will become 49m square, 2 7s are 14, 14 8s are 112, mn equals to mn. 8n square is 64n square plus, then dear student, here outside the bracket plus sign is there, so directly I had opened the bracket. Now 7m square will become 49m square plus 2 7s are 14, 14 8s are 112, m into n is mn, and 8n square equals gives 64n square. Then 49m square as it is. Now dear student, see if anything is possible to cancel. Yes, here negative 112 mn and positive 112 mn, so positive negative will get cancelled. Now write down 49m square as it is, this 49m square as it is, 64n n square and 64 n square. So 49 and 49 you have to add 49 m square and 49 m square, that is common variable you have to add. So it will become 98 m square and 64 n square and 64 n square will become 128 n square. You have to add the term of common variable. Now let us see the next one. 4m plus 5n whole square plus 5m plus 4n whole square. Now solve this first variable over here by applying the identity in one bracket, that is 4m square plus 2 4m into 5n plus 5n square, and in another bracket 5m square plus 2 into 5m into 4n plus 4n whole square. Now 4m square will become 16m square plus 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 mn plus square of 5n is 25n square. Then 5m square will become 25m square, 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, 40 m into n is mn. Then 4m square will become 16n square. Then see if anything possible to cancel here. No, not possible. So now here 16m square is there. So and add the value of term with common variable 16m square and 25m square. Then 40 mn plus 40 mn, then 25, then 25 n square plus 16n square. Now here 16 plus 25 will become 41 common variable, that is m square. Then 40 plus 40 80 mn common variable, 25 plus 16 41 n square common variable. Now let us see the next one. 2.5p minus 1.5q square minus 1.5p minus 2.5q the whole square. Now solve this variable over here by applying the identity, that is we have to apply that identity, a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 2.5p square minus 2 into 2.5p into 1.5q plus 1.5q whole square. Then put minus sign in another bracket, make a square of 1.5p square minus 2 into 1.5p into 2.5q plus 2.5q the whole square. Then square of 2.5p is 6.25p square minus 2 into 2.5p into 1.5q equals to 7.5pq plus 1.5q square gives 2.25q square. Then minus 1.5p square, square of 1.5p is 2.25p square minus 2 into 1.5p into 2.5q, that is minus 7.5pq plus square of 2.5q is 6.25q square. Then see if any value possible to cancel. Now here open the bracket, here there will be a no sign in any term, no change in sign in any term, but here minus is there in the question, minus is there. So while opening the bracket you have to change all the sign of term, you have to change the sign of each term, that is positive 2.25p square will become negative 2.25p square, negative will become positive, positive will become negative. Now see if any term possible to cancel. Yes, minus 7.5pq and plus 7.5pq will get cancelled. Then 6.25p square and minus 2.25p square, you have to add the common variable, value of common variable, then 2.25q square minus 6.25q square common variable. Now subtract it here. So 6.25 minus 2.25p square give 4p square, and 2.25q square minus 6.25q square, so plus minus minus only. So here negative 4q square will come, because here value negative value is greater than positive. So here you can take out 4 as a common, so inside the bracket will remain p square minus q square. So sum number 6, ab plus bc the whole square minus 2ab square c. Now here we have to apply this identity, that is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is ab the whole square plus 2 into ab into bc plus bc the whole square minus 2ab square c. Now ab the whole square equals to a square b square plus 2ab bc equals to 2a b into b is b square c. Then bc whole square equals to b square c square minus 2ab square c. Now see here 2ab square c and here negative 2ab square c will get cancelled. So what is left? A square plus a square plus a square b square plus b square c square. Now the next one is m square minus n square m whole square plus 2m cube n square. Now here also we have to apply the identity, and here we have to resolve this bracket, and here we have to keep this value as it is. Now apply the identity, that is a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is m square the whole square minus 2m square into n square m plus n square m the whole square plus 2m cube n square. Now m square the whole square is m raised to 4, 2 into m square n square m gives 2m square into m become m cube and n square as it is. Then n square m the whole square equals to n square will become n4 and m will become m square. Then put this value to m cube n square as it is. Then negative 2m cube n square and positive 2m cube n square will cancel. So what is left? M raised to 4 and plus n raised to 4 m square. So you can rearrange also this value, that is m raised to 4 plus you can write m square and 4.